Comets and asteroids are very fascinating places. They may contain building blocks or the remnants of the building blocks of the solar system. However, to explore, they present a unique set of challenges. There is the low gravity environment, or microgravity as we call it. For example, a person here on Earth would weigh as little as a paperclip on the surface of a comet. So a rover like Curiosity, which is currently exploring Mars, would actually only weigh a couple of kilograms. It wouldn't be able to generate much traction. And in fact, as it turns its wheels, it would probably just push itself away from the surface. It's actually quite likely to end up rotating and landing upside down, at which point it's ended the mission for the rover. So instead, together JPL and Stanford have been working on a totally different rover concept that is well suited to these environments, called Hedgehog. Instead of rolling around on wheels, the Hedgehog design actually puts 3 flywheels on the inside of a cube. By spinning these flywheels up very slowly and then very quickly applying a brake which transfers all the momentum from the flywheels, we're able to cause Hedgehog to either hop or tumble or perform small adjustments. So we've done many tests here on Earth in gravity offloading test beds. Recently, we have flown 2 Hedgehog prototypes on a zero-G aircraft. In these tests, we demonstrated that we would be able to perform on a comet or an asteroid. Hedgehog doesn't have a right way up. Instead, it can tumble over the surface and come to rest on any one of its faces and still work perfectly. The Rosetta mission has sent back lots of very fascinating images from the surface of Comet 67P, and these images show us some incredibly rugged terrain, including large sinkholes where a traditional rover would get terribly stuck. So we've even tested Hedgehog performing a type of escape maneuver, where it spins itself up and does this tornado-like maneuver where it can actually launch itself vertically out of a sandpit. In our future work, we're looking at increasing their level of autonomy, giving the Hedgehog rovers the ability to think for himself and to navigate from one point to another. The Hedgehog rover's ability to move around on the surface of comets and asteroids could enable a wide range of applications and science in the future.